Okay, people, so today is day 29. We almost on that 30-day mark. 30 days of posting a video consistently every day. Well, tomorrow will be 30 days. But we on day 29 of trading consistently. You all already know, left my job to trade forex professionally, and it's going amazing right now. So, as we can see, on the 4 hour, we literally just waiting for price to go below that level so that everything could be in a downtrend. So we could take downtrend trades on the 5 minute for Euro USD. On GBP USD, the 4 hour is already in a downtrend. We literally just waiting for a trade, everything in a downtrend. So we're just waiting for a downtrend trade to form, a price leg going down with one unfilled FVG. So we could take a trade. USD CHF, we possibly waiting for price the 4 hour to go above that 4 hour high, right? So that everything could be aligned. The 4 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour could be aligned. So we could take a trade on the 5 minute to the uptrend. So that's literally what we're waiting for. I was looking at the markets from 9:30. I just didn't come on the markets like on recording because they really didn't have anything going on. So I just started recording now because stuff looking like it getting spicy. But guys, yesterday police take my bike because I was riding around with no license, no insurance, no a fake number plates. So I get a $3,000 charge, and yeah, they take my bike yesterday. But hopefully, I'm going to get that shit back today. You all already know we're trading on the 50K account. We're trading on the 50K account. So what they calling that? We'll be risking 2% per trade. So we'll be risking $1,000 on a trade on that 50K account. So yeah, and we're going to have a take profit one and a take profit two. So if you're risking $1,000, that's like 2%, 1,000, reach to one, 500. When at 500, reach to two. I have no idea, but I know we're risking 2%. So yeah, but GBP USD looking like the most promising trade opportunity. Other than that, Euro USD still just shopping around. USD CHF also doing the same thing. Hopefully we could get a trade today because yesterday we didn't trade. And tomorrow I believe is FOMC. Tomorrow is FOMC if I'm correct. Yes, it is. Wednesday, FOMC minutes. And then the next news day is all on the 10th. So we Gucci. For this week, we Gucci. Like, not gonna lie, for this week, we Gucci as fuck. You understand? Okay, about the double. Patience, people. Patience. Nothing else. Just patience. Just fucking patience. I don't think we'll end up taking a trade, just by the way price looking today. We seen a trade forming on Euro USD. The only reason we're not going to take that trade is because the 4 hour not in a downtrend, right? It not yet break that structure. Well, it's in a downtrend on the whole, on the whole scale. But with my strategy, I just wait until the 4 hour break the high, so that everything really in a downtrend. So that the chances that the trade loses is very low. But that's actually a very nice trade. We see price break. If it does below that line there, we take that trade. We see price break that low, and we see it forming the low to create the price leg by going lower. And plus it just have one FVG instead of two or three or four. One untouched FVG. So it looking nice. 4 hour looking like it going up. We're just waiting to see what price doing. It's all about waiting, guys. Like, it's really about patience. You just have to be patient with yourself and be patient with the markets until it show your opportunity, until it show your edge. so you could trade your edge. Simple. But yeah, if I were to take that trade, I would mark out the Fibonacci from the bottom, right? And I would be entering longs because everything in a downtrend really. I'll be entering on that line, placing my stop loss right there, right here, enter there, and I will be putting my take profit one at 1 to 1, and then I will be putting my take profit two at 1 to 2. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how I would enter that trade. But uh, we're not going to enter that trade because it literally does not make any sense to enter that trade. Guys, as we can see, price literally just doing its thing right now. And right now its thing is to just not do nothing. So we just waiting for the wave. As we can see, price about to go and hit that halfway line, then possibly go down. But we're not going to take that trade because it's not fitting our trade rules. On the 4 hour, that's how all the currency pairs looking at the 4 hour. Euro USD. So we're just waiting patiently. And, yeah, GBP USD, that's how it looks. So okay, GBP USD, since the 2 hour close and it create a new low, then we want price to go below that low on the 4 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour for GBP USD so that we could take downtrend trades, which I do think will happen. USD CHF still just stuck right in the middle there. We just wanted to shoot up or down, either way, breaking some high or low on the 4 hour. Okay, wow. So you see why we didn't take that trade? See why? It's not below the 4 hour. It's not below the low or the 4 hour. On price, Euro USD probably going to give us the best opportunity. Price going to probably reverse and go down lower, and that's where we could capitalize on a trade. GBP USD not looking like it giving us any opportunities today. Also, USD CHF could possibly give us opportunity, but yeah, that's how we're looking for now. Okay, so you see, if we had entered that trade, which is against our rules, we would have lose the trade. Like I say, I backtest that strategy enough times to know a A plus setup and not a A plus setup. Since we're risking 2% per trade, we're looking for only A plus setups. So yeah, the reason why I didn't take that trade is because simple, on the 4 hour price wasn't below that low, and we want basically price to be below a low or high when we taking a trade on a higher time frame, so that it could increase our likelihood of winning. Because we basically trading in the momentum with that strategy. We literally trading in the momentum. If price in a downtrend, price going to go back in the premium zone and then probably sell more. But for that trade, it didn't happen. Guys, we literally just still waiting. We waiting for price to go below that low. USD CHF still not doing nothing. GBP USD still not doing nothing. But we solid and we Gucci, right? We Gucci. Okay, guys. So as we can see, that shit basically no setup showed up for the rest from until 9:30 to 12. So that's our trading day. It's 11:59 right now. And we're going to call it a day. So thank you for watching. See you next time.